In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add shortcut in Google Chrome in laptop. To begin, open Google Chrome on your laptop. Make sure Chrome is fully open and visible on your screen, so you can easily access its options. Once Chrome is open, look for the Add Shortcut option. When you click the Add Shortcut option, Chrome will let you create a shortcut for faster access. A shortcut is useful because it helps you open something quickly without searching for it again and again. As you do this, take a moment to check that you are clicking the correct option inside Chrome. If the window looks slightly different on your laptop, do not worry. In many cases, Chrome can appear a little different depending on the version you are using, but the basic process remains the same. After clicking it, Chrome may show a small prompt or confirmation window. If that appears, read it briefly and continue with the option that completes the shortcut creation. This is normal and simply helps Chrome confirm what you want to add. Once the shortcut is added, you should be able to access it more quickly from the appropriate location. If you are following along on your own laptop, go slowly and make sure each click is correct. There is no need to rush. That covers everything you need to know.